Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to do something that's not going to take a lot of your time away, because I know sometimes you guys are just in a rush and Valentine's Day is going to fall during the week. So I wanted to make something for you guys that you guys can do as soon as you guys get off of work and just jump in the shower really quick and just put on something and look decent for the streets. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, just go ahead and keep on watching. The palette that I'll be using today is the Sephora Moon Shadow Baked Palette, and it has these colors right here. So pretty. And the shade that I'll be using is going to be Peach. And I'm going to be applying this with my finger on my lid. And just kind of dragging it out. And same thing for the other eye. You know how sometimes for magazine shoots they have like this natural bronze look? That's what we're gonna go for today. Next, I'll be grabbing my fluffy brush right here, and I'll be applying this shade, which is deep brown, right here. And this palette, they are all shimmers, all of them. And I will be applying this on the outer corner of my eye. And just blending that out and bringing it into my crease and upwards towards my brow bone. And we're going to go ahead and take the same steps for the right eye. Next, I'll be applying soft gold to highlight my brow bone, and it's this one right here. Now I'll be applying the same color shimmers, the gold one, under my waterline. Next, I'm going to be applying some of my Lights Camera Lashes mascara by Tarte. And this is a super easy makeup look for those of you that just don't really like a lot of makeup, you know. Just so you guys can look put together for the night. Now I'm not going to apply no eyeliner, nothing dramatic. I'm just going to apply my Bad and Bougie lashes by The Makeup Shack. I've been wearing these babies like for every video that I've been making. I just love them. I'm telling you, you guys, they're so lightweight and very pretty. While that dries off, I'm going to go ahead and set my face with my Studio Fix powder by MAC. sure our makeup lasts all night long. I'll be contouring my face with my contour kit by Anastasia, and I'll be using this lash shade right here. I've already hit pan. Time for a new one. I need to try out new blushes because I am always using this one, the Peach Twist by MAC. If you guys have any other recommendations of a pretty natural looking blush. I don't really like pink tones. This one's more like a gold brown tone. Let me know. Now for my highlighter, this one is Strobe Light by Milani. This one's very inexpensive. I purchased this at Walgreens for, I believe, $6. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. Okay, so I went ahead and applied my lashes. Now I'm going to be applying my Russian Red lipstick by MAC. I know some people don't like wearing red on red, but I just think this color looks so freaking pretty. I'm going to go in with my brush and just picking up a little bit of that lipstick and just clean out. This was the third Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was super quick, super easy. Again, go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for my 4th Valentine's look of the week, and I'll see you guys next time.